Cheez-Its. Mmm.
Control the beast?
Why not?
Whatever.
Alright, so Alex is putting the pull start on to the RC car.
Alright, good enough.
Want me to hold your juice box? Oh yeah, it's a nice little view there, Matt.
Yep, thank you.
Alright, well the camera missed some pretty vital information.
Okay, do you understand what's going on or what's happening? What happened?
We started it,
Wait.
and it stopped.
Alright, it's gotta get warmed up. We'll block it just to get it warmed up. Okay. It's obviously too lean, so... Yes. Next. Ready? Yeah. Give it some gas. Yeah. Less gas. No gas. That got worse. You gotta push hard. Stop. Just stop. You're not pushing it all on the motor. You gotta like really have. Okay, yeah, you're. Is he not going like 1,000 miles an hour? Go again. No choke. Okay, stop.
Matt, your shoe. Matt.
You gotta. You hit the brakes.
Yeah, after sure.
Just hold the gas on, but don't. I'm gonna take a swing.
Houston, we have liftoff.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Ow! Oh my God! Ow!
Oh, it's fun!
Oh! Houston, we have a problem.
Oh! It's okay! It's alright! Close it! Close it just over the hole. Alright, it just came loose. Dude, we did a burnout. Matt! Which one's gonna win in a race?
And there is the strip of grass.
going on whether you want it on or not.
Is there a plug somewhere over there, Robert? Oh,
Uh,
there we go.
down there. Oh! Ah!
Told you not yet.
Oh!
It's all good. Don't plug it in until I get a fan on it. Well,